How to change font on Instagram name. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and simply make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here simply tap on edit profile. Now you can copy the name of your Instagram application. So let's copy the name. So let's go back and copy the name over here and tap on copy. Now as a copy, you can simply go back and launch any browser that you have. Here I am going for Google Chrome, and here what you can search for is the font changer application or the options. So you can simply tap on the search bar and search for font changer. So as you do that, you'll be able to see different options pop up on the browser, so you can go for whichever is more convenient for you. I'm gonna go for the very first one that pops up, and as you tap on it, you can see the normal text goes here section. Just paste the name that you had copied earlier, and you'll be able to see different fonts for your name that you can write. So you can simply select whichever is more convenient for you or whichever you like. I'm going to select on this one, and simply I'm going to just copy that one. Copy, go to my Instagram page over here and paste it over here. So let's paste that, and then tap on the check mark at the top right corner, tap on change name. Let's go back and see in our profile, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.